Hi friend, welcome to Technology channel. This video is about the multimeter. We have three different multimeter on my desk. The first one is Sunshine DT19, the second are Victor VC97, and the last one are DEC 330. The first multimeter that I used, the Victor VC97. This multimeter don't get good measurement of the capacitors. The ohm check and calculate the resistor are not very good. The diode tests are not very accurate. But this multimeter have a big screen and also have a sensor for measurement the temperature. This multimeter have a backlight and you can measure all of the components. A newer version of Victor VC can measurement even the inductor. This is a good multimeter, but the capacitor tests are not very good. The capacitor measurements are not very accurate. And the ohm check are not very good. This multimeter buzzer are not very excellent. After it, I buy another multimeter, DEC 330 FC. This multimeter very good and you can measure all of the components, and we have also a temperature sensor for measurement the temperature. This multimeter have a button for separating the ohm check, buzzer, and capacitor. This multimeter have a good design, but LCD are small. But the capacitor tests are very excellent. You can measurement the capacitor, and also the resistor check are very excellent. And even though the diode tests are very good, you can buy this multimeter. If you don't like a selector on your multimeter, you can buy another multimeter. This multimeter dropped my hand and we have a problem on this connector and this multimeter failed. After I checked this multimeter failed because this multimeter dropped my hand. Now go to the new one. After it, I buy this multimeter, DT19. Have a good prop. This multimeter don't have any selector. You can use this button for changing between all of the measurement. You can check capacitor, resistor, or buzzer test or diode test. But this multimeter don't have any temperature test and don't have a sensor on this package. This multimeter also have a backlight, big screen, and you can use this button to change between AC and DC voltage and other measurement. This multimeter has a light, and you can use a light on this multimeter. This button for light. This multimeter named DT19. The buzzer test of this multimeter very fast. The measurements are good and we don't have any selector. If your selector have a problem, you can buy this multimeter that don't have any selector. This multimeter for repairing the phone are very excellent. You can buy this multimeter and use it. Nice design, and also you can use 2 battery on this multimeter. This multimeter includes 2 battery, and you can use 1.5 battery on this multimeter. Finally, I bought this multimeter and use it for my work. That have a good design and good measurement. Thank you for watching this video. Please see my other video about the hardware and technology on my channel.